TikTok Lite 2026, what changed, and the bug you need to know. So, why Lite actually matters? Built for every device, designed for low-end hardware, limited data plans, and unstable network without sacrificing the core TikTok experience. Lighter and faster, smaller storage footprint, and faster load times keep the app responsive even on older device. Offline mode catches videos play even when connectivity drops, a genuine lifeline for users in low bandwidth areas. The big 2026 change, what keeps getting better. Every 2026 release repeats the same promise: improvement to performance. Here's what it means in practice: data saver, up to 20% less data consumption during streaming session, 18 MB app size, one of the lightest video apps on the market, minimal storage impact, clean view mode, hide UI elements for distance-free immersive feed experience. Lite 2026 feature signals the newest builds signals a shift towards smoother, more seamless viewing while keeping creations tool accessible. Autoplay evolution. The app listing now highlights autoplay suggestion involving feed playback behavior and newer builds. Streamline creation, record up to 3 minute clips, edit with music, effects, filters, and voiceover, and use green screen for quick visual transformation. The one bug to watch: autoplay after updates. So step 1, update, install, and modify playback settings. Step 2, autoplay may behave inconsistently on unstable connection. Step 3, fix by verifying playback settings and rely on offline mobile catching. So there you go, guys. Lite 2026 stories, ongoing performance tuning. Stay ahead of playback change. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns about the question below, guys, have to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.